Seville, Spain, is one of Europe's most amazing cities. From the stunning views to the delicious food and culture, there are endless activities in this vibrant city. In this video, I'm going to share with you the best things to do in Seville. Let's go. One of the must-see attractions in Seville is undoubtedly the Seville Cathedral. This stunning cathedral, officially known as Catedral de Santa Maria de la Cid, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a testament to the city's rich history. It's the largest Gothic cathedral in the world and third largest church, boasting impressive architecture and intricate detailing that will leave you in awe. Next on the list is La Giralda, an iconic symbol of Seville, standing tall next to the Seville Cathedral. La Giralda was initially built as a minaret during the Moorish period in the 12th century and later transformed into a bell tower for the cathedral. Climbing to the top of La Giralda is a must-do activity while you're in Seville. The climb, surprisingly, doesn't involve any steps. Instead, it's a series of 35 gently sloping ramps, a design initially meant to allow the muezzin to ride a horse to the top for the call to prayer. Once you reach the top, you'll be rewarded with breathtaking views of the city and an appreciation for the historical fusion of cultures that define Seville. Continuing on our journey, the real Alcázar of Seville is an absolute must-visit. This royal palace, rich in Mudéjar architecture and adorned with beautiful gardens, is yet another UNESCO World Heritage Site in this vibrant city. Dating back to the 10th century, the real Alcázar has been used by various monarchs throughout the ages, and it remains the residence of Spain's royal family when they visit Seville. Before we continue the best things to do in Seville, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Travel Pug. Moving forward, we land on one of the most iconic sites in Seville, the Plaza de España. Built for the Ibero-American Exposition of 1929, this half-circle complex features a stunning mix of Art Deco, Moorish Revival, and Spanish Renaissance Revival architecture. The sweeping, semicircular building is adorned with numerous tiled alcoves, each representing a different province of Spain. Encircling the plaza is a moat where visitors can rent rowboats, creating the illusion that the plaza is an island. At the center of it all is a large fountain, making the plaza a photographic dream with its colorful tiles, beautiful bridges, and ornate balustrades. Just a short stroll away from the Plaza de España, you'll find the oasis of tranquility known as Maria Luisa Park. This expansive public park is the green lung of Seville, offering locals and tourists alike a place to relax, enjoy picnic lunches, and escape the heat of the midday sun. Originally, the private gardens of the Palace of San Telmo, they were donated to the city in 1893 and redeveloped for the 1929 Expo. Our journey through the vibrant city of Seville wouldn't be complete without visiting the colorful neighborhood of Triana. Known as the birthplace of flamenco, this spirited district is filled with traditional tapas, bars, artisan pottery shops, and vibrant markets, offering an authentic slice of Sevillian culture. As you stroll along the picturesque streets, don't forget to visit the Church of Santa Ana, Triana's oldest church, dating back to 1266. Next, explore the scenic splendors of Seville from along the right bank of the Guadalquivir River. This area offers a unique perspective of the city's skyline, the vibrant Triana neighborhood, and the historical Torre del Oro, a decagonal military watchtower from the Almohad dynasty. Running and cycling paths line the river's edge, as do numerous bars and restaurants, making it a popular spot for both active pursuits and leisurely relaxation. Immerse yourself in the pulsating heart of Andalusian culture by attending a traditional flamenco show. These performances, held in venues known as tableos, are a sensory spectacle of passionate dance, intense guitar music, and soulful singing. Flamenco, a cultural expression deeply rooted in the region's history, intertwines storytelling and raw emotion in a breathtaking display of artistic prowess. Seville, boasting a rich flamenco heritage, offers a multitude of tableaus with nightly performances. Some popular venues include the Tablao El Arenal, Los Galas, and Casa de la Moria, each with its unique ambience. Seville's rich cultural tapestry is beautifully represented in its wide array of museums, making them a must-visit for any itinerary. Immerse yourself in the city's fascinating history at the Archivo General de Indias, which houses documents pertaining to the Spanish Empire in the Americas. Art enthusiasts will be delighted by the Museo de Bellas Artes, showcasing an impressive collection of Spanish visual arts from the medieval period to the early 20th century. For a glimpse into the region's archaeological past, visit the Museo Arqueológico de Sevilla, home to Roman, Moorish, and Renaissance-era artifacts. Don't miss the Centro Andaluz de Arte Contemporáneo, which offers an intriguing look at contemporary art within a converted monastery. Venturing into Seville's museums not only provides a respite from the Spanish sun, but also an enriching journey through the layers of the city's history, artistry, and culture. Just a short drive from the city center of Seville lies 𝐒𝐿𝐼CA, the first Roman city founded in Spain and the birthplace of Emperors Trajan and Hadrian. This archaeological site is a must-visit for history buffs, showcasing the remnants of a once thriving community, complete with paved streets, luxurious houses, and an impressive amphitheater that could hold up to 25,000 spectators. The House of the 𝐒𝐥𝐿𝐼CA, notable for its large courtyard and intricate mosaics, and the TRIANA, a temple dedicated to the cult of Emperor Trajan, are particularly well preserved and highlight the city's former grandeur. Walking through 𝐒𝐿𝐼CA offers a fascinating insight into the daily life of Roman society, and a stark contrast to the vibrancy of modern Seville. Don't forget to visit the on-site museum to see a variety of artifacts discovered during excavations. Visiting 𝐒𝐿𝐼CA, you'll be stepping back in time, exploring the roots of Roman civilization in Spain. No visit to Seville can be considered complete without delving into the world of tapas, an integral part of Andalusian cuisine and culture. Originating in Spain, tapas are small plates or appetizers that are usually enjoyed with a drink and in the company of friends. The city offers endless opportunities to taste a wide variety of these culinary delights. Traditional tapas, such as gazpacho, a chilled tomato soup, and patatas bravas, spicy fried potatoes, can be found alongside innovative creations in tapas bars throughout the city. Each bar tends to have its specialty, encouraging tapas bar hopping, a popular local pastime. Whether you prefer the bustling atmosphere of the Mercado de Triana or the traditional charm of a neighborhood tapas bar, immerse yourself in the engaging social ritual of sharing food, stories, and laughter. The culinary adventure that awaits you with tapas in Seville will truly be a fitting end to your unforgettable journey. As we draw our Seville adventure to a close, we invite you to reflect on the captivating experiences, cultural insights, and culinary delights that this vibrant city offers. From the echoes of flamenco music in the streets of Triana to the aromatic flavors of tapas, savored in a buzzing local market, Seville's charm is certainly undeniable. Now, as we part, we leave you with a question to ponder. Would you rather lose yourself in the rhythm of a passionate flamenco performance or savor the rich variety of tapas in a lively Seville bar? Let us know in comments.